Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are today's kanjis. Today's theme is kisetsu, season. The meaning is spring. On is shun. Kun is haru. Radical is the sun, hi. Look at the kanji. When you write haru, make sure the fifth stroke start in the middle horizontal line, not the bottom line. The meaning is summer. On is ka, ge. Kun is natsu. Radical is natsu-ashi. Look at the kanji. Make sure that you have 2 lines there, not 1 line. The meaning, autumn, fall. On is shu. Kun is aki. Radical is nogi-hen. Look at the kanji. You have a nogi-hen and hi, which is fire. Meaning, winter. On is to. Kun is fuyu. Radical is nisui. The meaning of this radical, nisui, is frozen. Words and expression. The first one, spring break, summer break, autumn break, winter break. We said, haru yasumi, natsu yasumi, aki yasumi, fuyu yasumi. Expression. 夏休みの間にキャンプに行きます。I will go 行きます。camping キャンプに during 間に the summer breaks 夏休みの間にキャンプに行きます。Next, midsummer, midwinter 真夏、真冬Expression 真夏の太陽はとても眩しい。The midsummer sun 真夏の太陽は so dazzling とても眩しい。真夏の太陽はとても眩しい。Next, hibernation means winter sleep for animals. 冬眠。Expression白熊は冬になると冬眠します。The polar bear, 白熊は hibernates, 冬眠します in winter, 冬になると。白熊は冬になると冬眠します。Next, springtime of life equals to youth, 青春。Look at the meaning of each kanji. Sei, ao, is blue, and spring, haru. In Japanese, ao can be used to describe not complete, not mature. When you are young, you are still trying to become an adult, so not complete, not mature. That's why seishun has ao. And spring, as a nature, we enjoy the time of the year. In that way, seishun equals to youth makes sense. Example, 青春時代に戻れたらいいな。I wish I could return 戻れたらいいな to my youth. 青春時代に。時代 is a period of time. 青春時代に戻れたらいいな。Last one. Spring, summer, autumn, winter all together because kanji all together we use on reading. 春夏秋冬. You don't say 春、夏、秋、冬。春夏秋冬。Example. 春夏秋冬を四季と言います。Spring, summer, autumn, and winter 春夏秋冬を are called 言います。Four season 四季。春夏秋冬を四季と言います。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Spring break 春休み Summer break 夏休み Autumn break 秋休み Winter break 冬休み Midsummer 真夏 Midwinter 真冬 Hibernation 冬眠 Spring of life, youth 青春 Spring, summer, autumn, winter 春夏秋冬春夏秋冬 JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。